Friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript full tutorial series for absolute beginners. In today's episode, we are going to learn what are JavaScript statements. This is part 4 of the series. If you have missed out on the first 3 episodes, they're absolutely basic and required, especially if you're starting to learn JavaScript. So make sure that you don't miss on them. Also, as part of this series, I have planned 43 episodes for you. Everything will be covered from scratch to advanced and will help you master JavaScript. So make sure that you bookmark this playlist. Alright, so today we are learning JavaScript statements. In a programming language, we write instructions. Any programming language, we write instructions. Those instructions are called statements. And when you take a group of or list of statements together, that will become part of a program, right? And since we are learning JavaScript, when you take all of these statements together, that becomes your JavaScript program. I hope it is clear now. JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. Most JavaScript programs contain many JavaScript statements, right? Hardly you will see, if you're writing a hello world program, then you might have only one statement, but in real time project, you will have multiple state JavaScript block code statements, etc. Each JavaScript statement is separated by a semicolon. That's how JavaScript knows that it is a next statement, next instruction. Adding a semicolon at the end of each executable statement. Okay, so when you write multiple statements, we need to end that statement with a semicolon. Let me show you that in the hands-on. Alright, so if you notice the code that we have written in the last episode, I'm not writing any new code in this episode, but we will go through it. Look at this script tag that I've added. It has many statements. Okay, it has many statements inside it. Like console.log is a statement. Whatever you see not in the green color but in this highlighted color are statements. Okay, each statement ends with a semicolon. This is one statement tells JavaScript to execute whatever is written here. Then go to the next statement, then go to the next, then go to the next. So it is sequence. Okay, it is sequence of steps that is executed. Each statement ends with a semicolon. Now if you don't add it also, some modern browsers will still process it. Okay, it will not give you error. Now if you see in this, it is still showing and working as expected, because these browsers are smart. Okay, the browsers have evolved, they are much smart. But however, remember, browsers not all browsers work alike. Okay, which means you will not see an error in Chrome, but you may see an error in some other browser. So what is the best practice? The best practice is write each statement in one line. Okay, end the statement with a semicolon always. Make it a habit. All right, don't don't depend or don't leave it to browsers to identify or figure out what to do. We are explicitly telling this is a statement, execute, and then since I have put a semicolon, go to the next as a next sequence of statements. This entire thing is one JavaScript program consisting of these statements. Okay, I hope now it's clear. There can be some more. As you progress, you will see me doing something like this: a equal to 10 plus 20, let's say. This is also a statement, right? If I write like this becomes a statement which is doing an addition, right? You can also do some more things. Assigning, let's say you will say variable str equal to a, so here you are assigning the value of this addition into a new variable. So these are all statements that you keep on writing to build your logic. Alright, I hope it's clear. I hope those things makes you comfortable as to what is a statement, because as we progress along, we will be writing a lot of statements, blocks of code. You should have your fundamentals clear. In the next episode, I'll touch base on how to add comments, which you are seeing me already adding, right? The ones that are highlighted in green color are not getting executed. We will learn all about it. We will learn different ways of how you can add comments in your HTML file, that is in your JavaScript file. All right. I hope you are having fun. Please do show me some love. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you in the next episode.